Good morning, welcome to ST.PETERS school. This is your science class, and in previous class we were doing chapter number 3, that is diversity in living things and the classification, and we already have completed this chapter. Now today we are going to start with the question and answer. So all the students are requested to take out chapter number 3, question and answer. Okay, so first question you will see, match the pair, and there is a two separate group has been given, A group and B group. In first group, amphibian vertebrae with scales, and in second group you will see the options are a monkey, a snake, a frog. So what you have to do, you have to match that that particular animals comes in which group. So first is amphibian, as we commonly knows this under the amphibian group, frog is known as an amphibian, because amphibian are those animals which used to live, which can survive inside the water also and which can survive on the land also. So that type of particular animal is known as amphibian, and frog is a very broad example of amphibian class. Now vertebrae. So vertebrae are monkey. Okay, so let me tell you, snake is a non-vertebrate, while monkey is a vertebrate which has the animal which has vertebral column. That type of animal comes under the vertebrate kingdom or the vertebrate class, and a monkey is a type of example of vertebrate animal. Now with the scales, we all know that a snake is having scales on their body which helps them to crawl on the ground, and even also in respiration also these scales help them. Okay. Now question number 2, who is the odd one out? Who is the odd one out? You have to choose who is odd one out. So in first question, fungus, mushroom, chrysanthemum and spirogyra. So what you have to do, in this three of are the same class, while another one is of the different class. So what is the answer here? The chrysanthemum is the odd one out because it is a flowering plant, whereas the rest of them are non-flowering plant. Fungus, mushroom and spirogyra is a type of fungi, okay, while chrysanthemum is a flowering plant, is a type of flowering plant. So that's why chrysanthemum is the odd one out. Now second question is mango, banyan, palm and chickpea. So mango, banyan, palm is a kind of tree, while chickpea is the odd one out because it is a type of herb, whereas rest of them are types of trees. Okay. Now third one is grapes, orange, lemon, hibiscus. So what do you think, what is odd one in this? Grape, orange, lemon and hibiscus. So we can easily recognize that these all are the fruits, while hibiscus is a type of flowering plant only. So hibiscus, okay, grape, orange, lemon, hibiscus. Grape is odd one out because it, okay, I'm so sorry. So grape is a type of climber, while rest of them are shrubs. Okay, so it's आप ऐसे भी ले सकते थे कि हाँ ये सब फ्रूट प्लांट है, दैट हिबिस्कस इज अ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट, but what is the motto of this chapter is to show the classification in different types of class. So grape and orange, lemon, hibiscus is a type of herb plant, while grapes is a climber plant. We commonly know this. Okay. Most of you have seen already the grapes plant कि ये क्लाइंबर की तरह होता है, लत्ती होती है इसकी, बट ऑरेंज, लेमन और हिबिस्कस की प्रॉपर छोटे छोटे ट्रीज होते हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड हर्ब्स. Now sunflower, banyan, jowar and bajra. So what sunflower, banyan, jowar and bajra, when you will see sunflower, banyan, jowar and bajra, very easy. Banyan is odd one out because it is a perennial plants, which whereas rest of them are annual plants. Okay, so okay, what is perennial plants? तो we already discussed this. What is perennial plant? जो बहुत दिनों के लिए रहते हैं, like more than 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. So that type of plant जो which never dies almost, that is called perennial plant. While guava, while sunflower, jowar and bajra is the annual plant, they only survive for a year. That's why they come under the different classification, and banyan comes under the different classification. Now second one is guava, guava, radish, carrot and beetroot. guava, radish, carrot and beetroot. So in this, guava is odd one out because it is a perennial plants, whereas rest of them are biennial plants. Again, guava lives more than 3 years, so that's why guava comes under the perennial plants, whereas radish, carrot and beetroot are biennial plants. They survive for 2 years. Deer, fish, man, worms. So worm is odd one out because it is in an invertebrate, whereas rest of them are vertebrate. Deer also comes under the vertebrate. Fish also even comes under the vertebrate. Man also come under the vertebrate, but worms are non-vertebrate. That's why it comes under the invertebrate classification, whereas worm is rest of them are vertebrate. Now question number 3, what is difference between flowering plants and non-flowering plant? A tree, a shrub and vertebrates and invertebrates. This is very important question in regarding of your examination might be. So because this is the proper classification given between the flowering plants and non-flowering plants. So they have flowers and produce seeds and fruits. Flowering plants used to, as the term itself defines, that it used to produce flowers, and if there will be a flower, there will be a production of seed and fruit too. Non-flowering plant, they do not produce flowers, seeds and fruits. So if there is no flower, no formation of seed, no formation of fruit. Now they have structure like roots. They have structure like roots, stems and leaves. So they may or may not have structures like roots, stems and leaves. Okay, they have structure like roots, stems and leaves. So in flowering plants, roots, stems and leaves are properly classified. मतलब prominent होता है, वो दिख के आता है. But non-flowering plant में what you will see, sometimes leaf modified into the stem, thorn, leaf is modified into thorn, or there is a broad stem. So प्रॉपर prominent नहीं होता है कुछ भी कि कौन सा पार्ट लीफ है, कौन सा पार्ट स्टेम है. ओके. Example for the flowering plant is tulip and mango, and non-flowering plants ferns and mosses. जो हम desert area में भी जो plants देखते हैं, that also comes under the non-flowering plant, and because they don't used to produce flower, that's why they are called non-flowering plant. While flowering plants used to produce flowers, even seed and fruit too. In next question, we will discuss more question and answer. So till the time, what you are going to do now, start writing down the question and answer in your notebook, and also start learning with the same. So till the time, take care and bye bye.